Hi, this is David from Omnifish again. Today I want to tell you why we implemented asadmin.java next to already existing asadmin.bat and asadmin based on bash. Recently, Ariane Times discovered issue with the TCK where somebody executed runtime, get runtime exec, and he used empty array as NFP parameter. Unfortunately, it has different meaning when it is set to null or when is it set to empty array. Empty array means empty environment options, null means inherited from parent. So it didn't have set even Java home, but I started thinking when you execute Java, you already know Java home. And I remember that years ago it was quite surprising new feature of Java 11 that you can run Java files without compilation. So we implemented asadmin.java. Originally I implemented it to execute the original asadmin script file, but then I started thinking that it would be maybe more useful to just do what those scripts do without executing them. So this is it. And let's show you have seen the history. This is how we can use it. Start domain. See, GlassFish can start even under 2 seconds, but I have reduced power of the CPU, so it will not make so much noise. It is probably very similar performance like standard bash. There was 2000 milliseconds, now it's 2000, less than 2000. You can try that again. Okay, it's faster with every execution. Okay. You can use even multi-mode. What was the last stop? Okay. Okay, this is it. Oh, the last one should be stop. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.